Hey folks, Tracy, just a quick video to share a testimony from a client Don and I are working with. He sees Don once a week for personal training and he comes to our clinic once a month, but we are now in a process of texting each day to check in. He took our challenge to try 21 days whole food plant-based, and we have him eating minimal salt or just very low sodium and minimal oil, and otherwise whatever he desires of whole grains, beans, legumes, vegetables, fruits, potatoes, sweet potatoes, and the like. He's in his 70s. He did lose a lot of weight following another diet that was serviced through one of the local hospitals. It was very calorie restricted. So once he got off that, weight came back on in a vengeance, and that's what happens when you follow these calorie restrictive diets. You want to find a way that will help you eat in a way that's sustainable, and foods that are high in fiber and water. Whole plant foods are the way to go because they're lower caloric density as well. They'll fill your stomach up before you really have a chance to overeat. And so anyway, he's in his 70s. He lives alone. A lot of people don't like cooking or messing around with much at that age, or if they're single, whatever age. And so here's someone who took the challenge and he's making it work. And he's doing a great job. So I'll let him share how it's going. And we'll see you in the next video. We have Chuck here, and this is week 2 of a 21-day challenge I put him on. And
I have lost 2/10 short of 9 pounds. Pain that I've had from arthritis in my right knee and pains I've had in my shoulder are gone already. And I am feeling so healthy, I don't know what to do with myself.
so you said it isn't as hard as you thought, and what you were doing to start with the last 2 weeks I thought was great. You just made huge pots of like split pea or vegetable bean soups and big salads, so you could just eat that every day, several days in a row, right?
Right. And I'm enjoying it. It's my spices I'm starting to get down, and I made some of the best vegetarian bean soup that I ever thought I could make. It actually tasted really good without the meat, and I think that this is going to be a way of life for me. I'm still going to have a little meat here and there, but maybe once a week or something, have a little fish.
That's awesome.
Or something.
That's awesome.
Maybe once every 2 months I might have a small filet mignon. But other than that, this is working so well for me that and I'm enjoying it. Awesome.
So Chuck is single, and we're trying to help him just find some easy options. So he's going to give some of these plant-based lunch meats a whirl. I've never even tried the ham. But Don and I used to get some of these types of lunch meats back in the day, and haven't lately, but it's always worth trying. He's got some pretty decent, actually usually very tasty, Dave's Killer Bread, and he's looking for simple, healthy sweets. And what did we turn you on to for dessert? Dates.
I haven't got to dessert yet, but you've made some suggestions, but they're on my phone in the text that I saved. So I had to figure that out. But
you bought some dates, though.
Oh yeah, I did buy some dates and some dark 70% chocolate.
Yep. So that's my super simple, easy dessert is to take a date and remove the pit and put a little piece of 72% or greater dark chocolate in the middle. Eat it, good to go, right? Couldn't be easier.
Right. And being lazy, I bought pitted dates. But I'm enjoying them. Only had 2 a night so far. I just bought them the other day in a little square of dark chocolate.
See?
Yeah, good.
You can make it work with just little bits of things that are like a nice pleasure, but it stays within your goals, so it's all good. Okay, having our feast, heated it up at Whole Foods. Got carrots, the rest of the hummus that was from Mom's. Here's Mom's serving. We got pea pods, some that I lightly steamed. You can see here, and she likes them raw sometimes, so we keep them in her fridge so she has something to munch on at home. And How's the tofu? Did you try it?
No, not
Try the
that.
tofu. Don made it. We cooked it all last night. Good, huh?